Let's be honest, editing PDFs can be an absolute nightmare. And if you're searching for a PDF editor, you probably fall into one of two camps. The first is just looking to fix a quick typo. Maybe you want to stitch different documents together or split pages from a large PDF. But the second camp is trying to turn a static dead document into a fillable form or an automated workflow. So in this video, I'm going to share some free editors for quick edits and fixes. But if you're in the second camp, I'm going to show you a much smarter way to handle your documents automatically. Let's get into it. Let's start by imagining I've got two PDFs that I want to merge together to create one new file. And I can easily do this using Jotform's PDF Tools. I just go to the page, the link is in the description, scroll down, choose Merge PDF here, then click Choose a PDF, select the first PDF like this one here. I'm going to click Merge PDF and then click to add another PDF. Choose the second one, and we could keep going and add more and more. And then I just click Merge PDF at the top of the screen here. Then Jotform has put them together for me in this preview. There are a few other tools here, like I could split the pages now. I could flatten this, maybe if it has different layers currently. And I could even chat with it using AI if I want to. Or if that's all you were looking to do, you can just click Download PDF, and you've got that new file on your computer. One of the most common use cases for working with PDFs is needing to sign them. And if you're using a Mac, probably the easiest way to sign a PDF is just to use the built-in preview app. So imagine you've got a file in your downloads, like I've got this lodger agreement here. When I click to open it, it will open up in Preview, which is the default PDF viewer for Macs. And right inside Preview, I've got a few different tools at the top of the screen where I could add text, I could scribble, add shapes, but also I've got this signature option here. You can load in your signature and just click to add it to the document and then drag it wherever you need it like this and resize it as you need to. Once you're done, you can just click File and then Save, and everything is saved into that file, ready for you to send where you need to. But whilst Preview allows you to make some of these edits, what it won't allow you to do is delete existing text and actually edit the text in a PDF. But there is a free PDF editor called PDFgear that you can download. It's available for Windows and Mac, so let's have a quick look at how you might use it. Here's what it looks like. You can see there are options at the top for converting, so maybe you want to take a PDF and turn it into a Word document or back to a PowerPoint and so on. But let's have a look at the actual editing capabilities that are built in. I'm going to click Open File on the left-hand side here, and I've got this biography page I'm going to open up in the editor. It looks like this. We can see at the top of the screen, I've got a bunch of different options to start with, like OCR, which is optical character recognition, which could work if there's handwriting on this PDF, for example, stamps and signatures like we just saw in Preview. But I can also move along to the Edit tab on the top of the screen and actually edit the text or images inside the PDF. So if I click that button, it gives me this editing screen where it's showing me all of the text, and I might start to just delete some of the information that doesn't need to be in this document like so. Maybe I could go through, change some more of the formatting like this, make this bold, and then once I'm done, I just click Exit Editing. It will ask me if I want to save. I click Save, and now that PDF is updated with those edits I've made. Literally just as easy as editing a Google Doc or a Word document. I can also do more though, so I could go back to that Home tab here and use the redaction tool. Perhaps there's some personal information in a PDF file that you have that you want to redact. I can choose a color at the top here, so I've got black selected right now. And perhaps I want to redact the phone number that's in here like this. I can just highlight what I want to redact and it will remove it like so. Or perhaps I could switch the color back to white and then highlight that whole bit, and then it will just look as though there's no text there. There are more features under the Tools tab at the top here, like being able to merge and split as we saw earlier, or you can even create PDF forms right inside the editor, but I'm going to show you a better way to do that a bit later on in this video. Now, if you don't like the look of PDFgear, you might want a different PDF editor. Another one is called PDF Exchange. This is only available on Windows. You can see it's got a bunch of different features like an enhanced OCR engine on the Plus version. You can create and edit those fillable forms as well, or create those stamps, even compare documents. It looks pretty powerful. Or if you're looking for something that's online, you could look at the Sejda PDF editor that allows you not only to download it if you want to, but actually just upload and edit a PDF online. So let's have a look. I just click Edit a PDF document here. I can upload a PDF file that I have. So I've just got this sample file here that I'm going to upload with lots of text in it. And I can see the PDF like this. I can scroll down and see all of the pages. Like before, I've got a few different tools. So I could do things like add an image. So I'm going to click this draft image and I'll just drop this in on the editor like this. I can change the size of it, and that is now going to be in that PDF. I can use the sign feature here and put a signature in here. I'm just going to use this example one, but you could create your own. So again, similar to what we did in preview earlier on in the video. Or you can annotate with different tools here as well. So I could strike out some text or highlight it. So if I choose the highlight option and choose red, I'm going to scroll down the page a bit and just click and drag across words that I want to highlight like this. And now they're going to be highlighted in red. Also under annotation is the ability to draw on this PDF. So I could literally take a color here and I could scribble on it. So maybe I want to circle some things if I'm teaching a lesson that has some PDF files, maybe from a textbook, or I could underline over here as well. So for an online PDF editor, this editor is pretty full featured. And once you're ready to save it, you just click Apply Changes. It shows you the edited PDF in the viewer on the left-hand side here, and you can just click Download to save it to your computer. It really is as simple as that. At the moment, you might be using fillable PDFs like this one to get information from people, have them send you the PDF, and then you're adding all of that manually to a spreadsheet. Let's be honest though, that's a workflow probably from years gone by, and there's a better way to achieve this using Jotform's smart PDF forms. You can start at the link in the description. All you do is go back to that PDF Tools page, scroll down and choose Jotform Smart PDF Forms. And what this will allow you to do is create a form based on an existing PDF if you want, that will create that PDF and even give it to the person that fills out the form each time they do. I'm just going to click Try Now. That's going to give me the option to upload an existing document that I have, or I can try a demo form. So let's try the demo one this time. Here we go. You can see that we've got the PDF on the right-hand side, which is quite a complicated PDF with a lot of information. And all of that information has been added to a web form on the left-hand side over here. Now, if I wanted to, I could add fields by clicking the Add Element button on the right-hand side and just drag and drop these as I need to into the form or into the document. But I'm happy with it as it is. So at the top of the screen, I'm going to click along to Settings now, and I'm going to make one key change, which is to scroll down here. I can see it's going to create a PDF document every time someone fills out the form, but I want to click this button here where it says Add Download PDF button on Thank You page. That's going to take me to the editor for the thank you page that looks like this currently. And I'm going to choose Action Buttons and then choose this Download PDF button. Click Create. I can select the PDF that needs to be downloaded, which is the original PDF here. I can rename the button if I want, but I think Download PDF is clear enough, and then click Create. And so now on this thank you page, there's going to be this button for anyone who fills out that form to download the PDF. Then I can move along to Publish on the top right of the screen here. And this is the link that I want to give people to fill out the form. So no longer do you need to send them the PDF, have them fill it out and send it back to you. You just copy this link. And let's see what that looks like for someone completing it. It shows the form in the PDF format to start with. I click on Start Filling, and then it takes me to the web version of that form. And I can put the information in. And as I've been filling that out, you can see all of the different options that are available, including even a signature field like this. So people can just use their mouse to type in their signature, or if they're on their touchscreen phone, they could do it there as well. And then they click Submit. When they do that, they get taken to that thank you page, and you've got that option here to download the PDF that was created. They get asked where they want to save it like this, and then they could click and open that PDF to see it on their device. And you see it's filled out, it's got my name at the top, it's got the boxes that I ticked here, and even my signature that I put in at the bottom of the screen here as well. I think you'll agree that is a much quicker and easier way to get filled out PDFs in 2026. So whether you're looking to do a simple edit to a PDF, like redact some information or just add a signature, or completely overhaul a workflow that you've got, Jotform should be able to help you. You can get started at those links in the description. If the video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.